back and checking out another stock lock. So we've got another one of those car boot ABUSs in, £1 each, and we've got the 6450 in. Oh. And let's zoom in a little bit, and you can see the key there. So yeah, and I'm going to have a little crack with one of my little mini picks from XB Mods. Absolutely beautiful, and they were highly polished when they were received, but I do use all the custom picks that get sent, so they don't stay mint. And I know Jace likes to see them used. They're not shelf queens. And let's see how we go.
Imagine making life's messy little moments unhappen. This award winner from BAS can help do just that. Bacteria beating, carpet saving, car sprucing, stain busting. The spot wash home protector design. Order direct from BAS for only £149.99, saving £50.
There we go. That was with the little mini pick. Not too bad. I got some lovely feedback through that one then. So yeah, and if anyone wants any of these, then just give me a shout, because you know, I probably won't pick all of the, well, I don't know, all of the ABUSs. I picked one of the little ones. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you with another video sometime.